This is the mother nursery, which has all the various plants and the advanced 5-year and more trees where seedlings can be procured, and this can be further cloned and you can have higher density species. What are the other advantages of the plants, can you say?
Terminalia Arjuna.
But what, not the term, on the Subabul, Melia dubia is not feasible
suitable for coppicing system.
Because of coppicing, so you have to uproot it and then reinstall. So the best thing that we have seen is Subabul, then
and Sisbania grandiflora.
Sisbania grandiflora, and what else is there?
Alvisia Liebeck.
Okay.
But it takes time. But
okay. And Napier, if you can talk something about Napier.
Cofor variety.
Okay. So Napier, basically, in how long can we do Napier?
You can harvest 6 to 7 rotation from single mother plant.
In how long?
Up to 5 to 6 years.
And when is the first this thing that we can do?
After 6 months.
After 6 months. And what is the tonnage that we can yield on this?
So fresh bed you will get 10 ton, 10 to 15 tons. Sorry,
15 tons per acre.
Per acre.
Per harvest.
Per harvest.
So 15 tons, that is wet weight.
Yeah.
And then
so dry weight would be 10 ton.
Dry weight would be 10 tons. But then this is every 6 months, only 20 tons. But this is in cross this thing, or this is only Napier grass ware?
No, in case of intercrops.
Intercrop. And what about only Napier grass?
I have no idea.
You have not done that. Okay. Perfect.
Because what we have done on basis of this thing, I tell you.
Okay. And what is the trees that you have here? You have Subabul trees, Subabul trees which are about 5 years old now.
Yeah.
So their seeds, what is it that can be done with their seeds?
Yeah, we will use as a light tree for genetic improvement purpose.
Okay.
Future. So main thing, so quality of the seedling is the important thing for future growth of the plants.
Okay.
So we select to the elite tree among the all plant population.
Okay.
And then we will start the seed collection, and some technology is there to treat the seeds.
Okay.
And for genetic improvement purpose,
okay.
then again start the seed sowing in particular germinating bed.
So genetic improvement is for what? Is for
good quality of the timber and biomass.
Biomass, as well as termite resistance and all.
Termite resistance you already seen.
Okay, so it is already there.
There is termite mounds.
And what?
But there is no effect to the.
And mortality rate, what are we talking about?
Only 2 to 3%.
Only 2 to 3% mortality rate.
You can see in our 26-acre plantation.
So, and Subabul, we are able to get wet weight almost how much every
3 years you will get 150, more than 150 ton.
And dry weight?
I expected 160 ton per acre, but safely we can consider 150 tons.
What about dry weight?
115 ton.
115 ton. So safely you can say 100 tons. Safe.
110.
110, and that is with how many trees per acre?
1000.
1000 trees per acre. And this we have done successfully over how many acres?
Here.
Yeah. Here.
126 acre in Yavatmal. And here approximately 65 acres.
Okay.
They have planted entire area, but when I joined here, then changed the technology.
That is fine. I mean, we have learnt and we have improved over the years, right?
Yeah.
So over the last 2-3 years, we have seen no mortality. We have seen proper growth. All the advanced technology being used. And we are quite sure that at least 110 ton dry can be generated using Subabul. And Sesbania is also a very good option. The reason about Subabul is because it has coppicing. It can life of almost 30 years. 30 years. So there is no hassle with that. And you can intersperse Napier with it, which will give you 20 tons of dry Napier every year.
Per year,
Every year. 20 tons, dry Napier, and that is with intercropping. So you can start with the trees, then in what month you have to introduce Napier?
After 6 months of the plantation.
After 6 months of plantation, you can introduce Napier, and so the...
Only Co4 variety, not Napier Co3 variety.
Okay, so the special...
is only suitable for fodder.
Okay, so there's a special variety that we are talking about, right? Which and availability of that variety, is there any issues?
No.
No
quantity
issues.
you will get.
Okay, and this the soil is not really that much of a concern. It is the based on the atmospheric conditions. We base the trees and the base the technologies based on that.
Yeah.
Right. All right. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay.